Mango Display Calendar Review 2025. Don't buy until you watch this. Smart calendars promise to organize your life, but many end up collecting dust. The Mango Display Calendar looks sleek and simple, but is it actually useful in 2025? Let's talk about what most people don't realize before buying. Mango Display is a wall-mounted digital calendar designed for families and shared spaces. It syncs with popular calendars and shows schedules at a glance. Setup is surprisingly easy. Within minutes, events appear clearly on the screen. The biggest strength is visibility. You won't believe how much better planning feels when everyone can see the schedule without opening an app. Most people get this wrong though. Mango Display is not a productivity powerhouse. It doesn't replace task managers or advanced planners. It's purely a visual coordination tool. The display quality is good but not tablet-level sharp. For its purpose, it's more than adequate. Touch responsiveness is smooth and intuitive. One downside is price. Compared to using a spare tablet, Mango Display costs more. However, it's always on, distraction-free, and purpose-built. Another limitation is customization. You can't heavily tweak layouts or colors. What you see is what you get. The surprising truth is that Mango Display works best for busy households, not individuals. Families with kids, shared chores, and overlapping schedules benefit the most. In 2025, it's not a must-have gadget, but it's a quality of life upgrade. If you struggle with missed events and constant reminders, Mango Display may finally bring order to your wall and your routine. Subscribe for more smart home reviews that tell the full story.